Hello everyone, hope so you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to use split screen in Honor 500 Smart. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.